Hey guys, it's Wes here with Auto Technology Repair and Highline Car Care. Today we have a 2013 Toyota RAV4 with a cracked navigation touchscreen. I've kind of already begun taking this apart, but just to recap what we've done so far, we've taken both of these brackets off with these 6 8mm bolts, and we have taken both of these side brackets off with the little Phillips head screws. Once we've done that, we gently pry all of these plastic tabs away from the metal housing, and once you've gently separated this faceplate, you're going to see that there is a ribbon cable attached to the main component here, the main unit. So once again, I've already unhooked this, but to do so, you've just got a little black latch right here. You just flip it up gently. Once again, these parts are very delicate. So now that we've got the screen separated from the rest of the unit, we're going to continue on to replace the cracked screen. So first off, this ribbon cable right here is going to be attached to the outer layer, the outer screen, so I'm going to unhook that. Just slide the white part of the housing outwards, and then it'll release that cable right there. We're going to also take this antenna cable off. We're going to take all of these Phillips screws off. Alright, now let's see if anything else is still attached here. It looks like we do have on this side another ribbon cable that needs to be separated. Same thing, slide the white housing outwards. That ribbon cable will release. And now we should be able to separate this. Oh yeah, we've got one more ribbon cable here. Flip the black latch upwards. Just like that. Wiggle that cable out. One of these cables is hanging up. Got something giving me a hard time, so let's take a second. Alright, so we paused for a second to see what was hanging us up. We had to actually remove both of these knobs. They just pull straight out, take a little bit of pressure. Once those knobs are removed, we'll separate this circuit board here, just like that. Put this somewhere safe. Let's put this out of the way. Take these buttons out of the way. And we've got 4 more screws holding the LCD screen in. now we should be able to remove the LCD from the rest of this housing. And there it is. Kind of careful, we've got to reuse this black gasket here. Put this back over that way. And now we can remove the cracked touchscreen digitizer. What we'll do is go ahead and get a new one, put it all back together, and assemble it in the reverse order. We do sell these parts on our website, autotechnologyrepair.com, and we do also offer full service repair if you'd like to ship your units in, or if you are local to the Phoenix area, we do have a shop, which is Highline Car Care. Hope this helped.